हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे कर रहे होंगे। तो दिस वीडियो हम जो भी ट्रेड्स लिए इस वीक में मैं सारे के सारे बताऊंगा। एंड आज मैंने एक ट्रेड लिया था, इजी विद इन 8 मिनट्स में मेरा 1:2 टारगेट हिट हो चुका था। एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, बट आई फील थोड़ा सा रिग्रेट है कि अगर इफ आई पुट माई मोर टीपी लिटिल बिट मोर, बहुत प्रॉफिट हो जाता, डबल प्रॉफिट हो जाता। बट आज 1:4 आसपास मिला था, बट आई कैप्चर्ड ओनली 1:2। तो विल स्टार्ट विद द ट्रेड्स। This was a trade which I should not take, but I have taken this. The logic behind that is very simple. I marked a proper zone here. इधर एक जोन था, इसका बहुत अच्छे टाइम से कंसोलिडेट होकर एक बार ट्राई भी कर चुका था ब्रेकआउट करने के लिए. It did not happen, and second time it gave a clean candle breakout, entered SL and TP, but टाइमिंग अच्छा नहीं था. सुबह जस्ट आफ्टर मार्केट ओपन I have bought this, but so this is a wrong trade. And the second trade, which you guys can see, is a easy trade, easy peasy lemon squeezy trade. Trend line or either this trend line is there. Zone मैंने mark करके रखा हुआ था, and from the zone here you could have entered, and maybe you would have entered at no. Okay, so this is above the zone, so you don't enter here, and you should not enter here. I think this trade I showed in the previous video also. I will not enter here because already, wait one second. Already zone से बहुत नीचे आ चुके हैं zone, and there is no zone to play because risk reward अच्छा नहीं होगा. तो this one is actually not a good trade if you would have taken here, since because it's very far from the zone. Risk reward भी तुझे, I always aim for the 30% of my supply demand zone. Sometimes I also take just here. तो इधर भी लिया तो मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था, बट इधर तक ले सकते थे, बट obviously that was too far and the risk reward was not nice. So I did not enter here, and if you'd have entered here after this again the next pullback, this was above this one, and very nice bearish engulfing. This was kind of uh, inside candle in the sense it was clumsy, it was not that clear, but here it was very clear. Stop loss above the zone, easy 1:2, 50% of my zone. Chato, you could have extended because the zone, the higher time frame was clearly bearish. I'll show you guys. Higher time frame was, that it was very bearish. So you are taking a bearish trade. So you could have holded and you could have captured at least maybe till here 1:3, 1:2.5. So two trades hold me, and the third trade we can go here. This one is actually pretty difficult trade to capture, and I don't think we have marked a proper zone, like proper swing in the same day. And it was like this, bro. Basically it was like this. Since it had a nice swing here, nice pullback from this point, I drew this area, and I drew this area, and it broke down. I have drawn one more zone here, but I deleted it. Then it broke this swing, gave a pullback from the same swing, and even gave a bullish engulfing candle. So this is the sign to enter. I'll say one more thing. The same trade, I think I told you guys in the previous video where I gave you setup explanations. The same logic, but that failed. That trade failed. Like break, retest, fail. That was a fail, but this was a succeed. So it works sometimes, it does not work sometimes. You have to be either taking it all of the time, or you should not ever be taking this kind of things, because your probability will be not good. Because I hope you guys get it. And the next trade, bro, this trade, I really wanted to enter, and I did not enter this, bro. I literally regret. The logic is pretty simple for this. I saw somewhere around this thing after this bearish single thing candle came. I saw this was a clean ICC setup. The setup name is called ICC. This is not like the supply demand zone setup. This is a different kind. What this I'll just tell you the explanation. This is one zone which I saw, and it tried to give a breakout here, but it failed. And the next time when it passed here, you just have to enter with the stop loss below. Give a proper stop loss. This is called indication. The initial breakout is indication. The pullback is called correction, and continuation is when it goes back again in the same thing, above the same zone. I wanted to enter this, bro, but actually I took a loss in AUD USD on the same day. So I wanted to enter both, but I would not want to lose both. If I lost that also, this also बहुत हो जाता, तो मैंने वो उसको रहने दिया और इसको नहीं लिया, तो जिसको लिया उसने काट दिया मुझे. If I would have taken this, bruh, look at this, holy shit, man. My target was around 4,000, 430 only, and one more setup formed the same single day. The zone was marked before itself, and exactly it was very bullish. Gold was very bullish, and New York session also I think started here. You guys can see UTC plus 530, that is IST time, and took a rejection from here, made a big, and next candle it did not give a breakout above the zone, so you do not enter. This candle, doji candle, you could have entered. If you would not enter in the doji, you could have entered in this one also. This was also not far from this one. Stop loss should be decent, and easy target, bro. Easy 1 is to 3. Even if you have targeted 1 is to 2, you got. And two trades formed yesterday, but this one is like little difficult to take, but this one was very easy to take. And today it was kind of London session. I did not take any trade. London session, I was seeing this area. I thought of taking this because this evening star formed, but as per my rules, until and unless it's out of the zone, I should not take the trade. So I followed it and did not take a trade. And it actually saved my money, because if I'd have taken, I would at least targeted for here and I would have missed it. And today I took one trade, amazing trade, A plus setup. This is the one which I marked, gave a breakout. I actually entered here itself, like after this candle closed. मैंने इस कैंडल जब फॉर्म हो रहा था, मैंने 50% डिप्लॉय किया था. अराउंड दिस एरिया आई एंटर्ड 50%. इधर मैंने 50% डाला था, and I thought again when it goes up I'll add my 50% again here, but it never went up back, and it just came down and down and down. My stop loss was here. It was not cheap also, it was here, but it just wigged me out and just gave a nice candle here. So I took my stop loss, I accepted it. I did not over trade or scalp here just because I lost a trade. फिर ये बहुत अच्छा कैंडल बना नियर टू द जोन, वेरी नाइस engulfing कैंडल, नॉट engulfing, वेरी नाइस फॉर्मेशन कैंडल. तो आई जस्ट इमीडिएटली टुक द एंट्री हियर. मैंने बहुत वेट नहीं किया इधर. Easy trade, just entered after this, and target भी मैंने 6 किया था. I did not settle there. My target was here only 6-4. 1:2 का रख गया था. I actually did not मैंने टेक प्रॉफिट इधर सेट किया था, और मेरा अलर्ट्स उसके थोड़ा नीचे 4560 सेट किया था, क्योंकि if the momentum is very nice I would obviously extend, but कैंडल ही इतना शानदार बनी कि एक ही कैंडल में मेरा टारगेट भी हिट हो मतलब ये अलर्ट भी हिट हो चुका है और टारगेट भी हिट हो चुका है. जनरली व्हाट हैपेंस इज माई दिस थिंग कम्स, माई अलर्ट बजता है, फिर थोड़ा देर के बाद वो टेक प्रॉफिट होता है, तो मेरे पास टाइम होता है कि एक्सटेंड करना है या फिर टेक पार्शियल्स होता है, टाइम होता है. But in this case, it just gave it easy target, but this gave an easy bonus to 4.5. If I would have holded this, how much I made $40 today. I would have made bruh, I would have made $110. Yeah. But fine, it is what it is. I'm happy with my profits. I am very happy that I took this trade and made the profit here. And on my funded account I'm currently up $57. When I take a payout मैं आपको बता दूंगा. बस डोंट स्कैल्प. एंड अभी वीकेंड है, एंजॉय करो गाइस, वीकेंड बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय करो. नेक्स्ट वीक कम बैक स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड कम बैक बेटर. डोंट कम बैक इन द सेम पोजीशन. वही है. और क्या है भाई, अगर तुझे कुछ भी है ना कमेंट्स में लिख के बता दो, मैं जितना हो पाए. आई मीन आई विल आंसर मोस्ट ऑफ देम, बिकॉज अभी तो नए नए हो और कोई कमेंट वगैरह लाइक भी यूज़ भी नहीं आता है. तो अगर तुम स्टार्टिंग से देख रहे हो तो आई डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई. इट्स एन ईजी चांस टू शेयर योर थिंग्स. मैं भी अभी उतना पैसे नहीं कमा रहा हूँ. दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल. आई एम ऑल्सो स्टिल ऑन माई 5K अकाउंट एंड आई एम स्कैर्ड ऑफ दिस क्रॉप फर्म्स. तो अगर रूल्स भी फॉलो किया तो भी कभी कभार नहीं देते हैं पे आउट, बट द फर्म विच आई एम यूजिंग इज currently giving me payouts, so I'm very happy. और बस in BTC we did not have any setup guys. Next week will be very interesting in gold, especially in gold. Next week बहुत interesting होगा. And BTC तो we did not have any setups because zones ही नहीं थे भाई खेलने के लिए. It was just consolidating here. And I think you could have will see what from Monday if we had any setup. London we don't trade and New York no setup. Here, yeah, this was a very nice setup. Yeah, I told this in the previous video, guys. Check it out. एंड मैंने सिर्फ गोल्ड का सेटअप्स बताया था. नेक्स्ट वीडियो और नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल मेक सेटअप्स ऑन BTC ओनली, द सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ सेटअप्स. एंड आई एम जस्ट टू शो दैट BTC में भी ये काम करता है. तो एक एक मतलब एक सेटअप हुआ इधर एंड बाकी यार सेटअप तो बना था इधर शॉर्ट करने के लिए, बट ऑब्वियसली आई डू नॉट ट्रेड लंदन, तो नहीं लिया. अगर लिया तो भी इधर विकआउट होके टारगेट मिलता, तो नहीं स्टूडेंट जस्ट टेक इट. इधर कुछ खास बना नहीं है तो वी डोंट ट्रेड एंड आफ्टर दैट जस्ट वेंट डाउन एंड इट वाज जस्ट कंसोलिडेटिंग. सो एंड BTC कोई ट्रेड नहीं मिला. बस वही है भाई. आज निफ्टी इतना बंदा गिरा भाई, मेरा 1000 रुपये का नुकसान हो गया, लाइक 1000 रुपीज. No, that's too much. That's not even my money, honestly. मेरे पापा का है भाई वो. Some MSCI rebalancing or some bullshit was there यार. The last, look at this bro. The last, how much it was? 1% it fell in 3 o'clock. That's too much यार. चलो जो भी है हो गया. I told you guys investment भी कर सकते हैं. Still until this black line you guys are free to invest. It's a very nice opportunity, but अगर ये तोड़ दिया तो it's better you wait until proper confirmation. If this I'm saying अगर ये भी तोड़ दिया तो exit कर लो and just wait. बहुत इधर ही consolidate करेगा, तुझे टाइम पास करेगा. फिर when it passes this level again, I'm just saying this, if it touches this black line or goes below the black line, just close most of your positions and wait until it breaks this level, because this was a previous swing. इधर से ही a momentum आया, and if this level gets broken then the structure is clearly changed and you can take new positions here with the same thing. तो वही है. एंड मैंने सारे सेटअप्स भी मतलब सेट करके रखा हुआ है, बट एक्सप्लेनेशन ही बाकी है, तो मैं वो कर दूंगा BTC का setups. बाकी forex I'm trying bro. I just to show you the trade which I took and I lost it. अगर वही ट्रेड मैंने गोल्ड में लिया होता तो मुझे प्रॉफिट बन जाता यार. The trade was this trade bro. बहुत अच्छा ट्रेड था यार. This one literally. This was my favorite pattern. Head and shoulders. I'll just show you guys properly. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and after this black candle इधर तोड़ दिया इसने. 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम में तोड़ दिया. एक नीचे गया फिर रीटेस्ट भी आया तो एंटर्ड हियर यार. And it just took my stop loss within the same day. Just reverse bro fully. 4 आवर में अगर आते हो तो you guys can clearly see it gave a breakdown here. 1 आवर में तो ये जब it gave pullback and again it gave an engulfing bearish engulfing candle. मैंने इधर एंटर किया क्योंकि it was below my zone and थोड़ी से मेरा एंट्री हुआ है. तो एंट्री हुआ है. अगर ये जोन के अंदर ही रहेगा तो I wouldn't have taken the trade, but लिया. जब से लिया एक बार भी प्रॉफिट में नहीं दिखा. जब लेते से ही लॉस भाई. मुंह खराब कर दिया. इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग द सेम ट्रेड इन गोल्ड प्रॉफिट हो जाता बस. एंड दैट इज इट गाइस फॉर द वीक. एंजॉय योर हॉलीडेज. बहुत स्ट्रेस मत लेना. बहुत सारा प्यार. जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ते रहो. खुश रहो. माँ बाप को प्राउड फील कराओ. एंड you don't need anything more guys. Thank you. Signing off for the day.